We just got the Amazon Basics 4-shelf adjustable heavy-duty storage shelves, and we've actually purchased 7 already, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to assemble. No tools are required, but I did watch a video and a rubber mallet really does help. It's very heavy duty. Each shelf can withstand 350 pounds, and total max capacity is 1,400 pounds. So come join me as we assemble this. So what I like to do is open the box and get everything sorted out. Now that we've unboxed it, we're going to get all of it separated and organized. You're going to find these tabs, but you can just throw these away. These are just trash. They put these there so it doesn't damage the pieces in between. Once you get everything all organized, it becomes easier to put together. Now what I like to do is get it all put in one bowl so it's just easy for you to pick out. Definitely check out the owner's manual. It also has warranty information as well, and it's in several languages, including English, French, and Spanish. So this is trash. These are just the separators between the shelves so it doesn't cause damage. And these are the clips that we're going to be using. And I just put it in a bowl so it's easy to use and you can just grab and go as you choose. They also give you anchor straps as well as an extra clip, just in case. Besides the 4 shelves, it comes with these poles. Now, they are marked C as well as B. Now, if you accidentally opened up the package and you weren't sure which is which, the C has these adjustable legs. So if you accidentally throw away the package, don't worry. And these adjustable legs are perfect because if your garage or kitchen, it's uneven flooring, it'll adjust accordingly. Check out these shelves. These are durable and they look almost identical on both sides, but a way that you can tell is you want this lip to be on the bottom, okay? So now they say 2 people makes it easier, but I'm going to try to do this myself with just 1 person. So here we go. So a lot of people have had difficulty with the clips, and it's kind of like a puzzle piece where they clip together, and as you can see, it has an angle to it, and it even says top. So you make sure that's the top. The other side also says top. So top to top, and it just clicks together. Now, as you can see, this is all grooved, and you can actually count. So all 4 sides are going to be even. And you just say you want to do it on the 3rd one up. You would go 1, 2, 3. You put it there, and you attach the other. And did you hear the click? Once it clicks, you slide it back down, and now it's sturdy. And we're going to repeat the process for all 4 of these, and then we're going to slip it onto the shelf. Now that I put all the 4 pieces on, now it's time to thread it through. And the easy way, if you're by yourself, is just to tilt it and slip it through the thread. And do the last piece. Ta-da! So you could push, but if you don't have upper body strength like me, we're going to use a rubber mallet. Solid. Okay, so now we're going to do the next ones. So we'll just count a few more and go from there. Let's say we're gonna do 5 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll just repeat it for each shelf. Now, some people already attach the next 4 poles on top, but then if we're gonna be putting these shelves through, it's just more to thread down. So once we put this on, we're going to attach the next shelf. Okay, they all seem secure. And here we thread it again. Getting our rubber mallet. Okay, pretty sturdy. And now we repeat with all 4 poles. As you can see, the top of the shelf is going to be 54 inches in length. It's 36 inches wide and it's 14 inches in width. Okay, make sure they're secure. Okay, this one I'm going to do 10 inches from the top of the last shelf. So you put it and then you slide it down. Hopefully they're even, but if they're uneven, you just clip them off and redo it again. But that's the nice things about counting these. Okay. Top and top. Okay, let's do the third one. And now we do the last ones. This interlocking system is so easy. How quick have I put this together? Hopefully this video is going to help you out because it sure didn't take us this quickly to do it the first time. Last one. It's done. So let's see how long that took. This whole process, and this is with me even making this video, the whole process took 34 minutes. So hope this was very helpful and useful, and good luck and happy building.